Tomatoes are a valuable crop, but post-harvest losses affect many farmers. Here is how to preserve your harvest using simple, locally available methods. Step 1. Handle tomatoes carefully during harvest. Use shallow baskets or crates to avoid bruising. Avoid overfilling to prevent crushing. Step 2. Sort tomatoes immediately. Separate damaged, overripe, or diseased fruits to avoid spreading spoilage. Step 3. Wash tomatoes with clean water to remove dirt. Dry them in the shade on a clean surface to prevent mold. Step 4. Store tomatoes in a cool, well-ventilated area. Avoid direct sunlight as it speeds up ripening. Use materials like wooden crates or woven baskets to allow air circulation. Step 5. Use a clay pot in pot cooler. Place one clay pot inside another, fill the space with wet sand, and cover with a damp cloth. Keep it in a shaded spot and moisten regularly. Step 6. Process surplus tomatoes. Sun-dry slices on clean nets or mats, or turn them into sauces for longer storage. By following these steps, you can reduce post-harvest losses and increase your profits. Simple actions can make a big difference.